Hello, this is the week 3 progress video in the deep learning task for advanced technologies. So this week's progress has been affected as I've realised that the labs do not have the correct software for me to be able to progress, so I've not made a lot of technical progression this week. As a result, I've instead focused on research. I've been researching into GANs, and I found this website which has quite a lot of useful information about GANs and how they work, and hopefully this will help me understand them a little bit more, and mainly for being able to do the task easily, but also for understanding it more to help me write my report. I've also found this website that shows loads of different uses of GANs and the types of things that they can produce, and I've also located a tutorial that uses GANs to produce images of dogs, so this might be useful for me in creating what I want to make.